Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a photo using Gemini AI. So if you want to turn your ideas into realistic photos using AI, here's how you can create stunning images with Google Gemini AI step by step. First, you can just go to gemini.google.com, log in with your Google account, and in the chat bar in here, you can just type your prompt. For example, I'm going to use this prompt, create an image of a cyberpunk girl in neon Tokyo lighting. So for the prompt, you need to be specific, describe the lighting, the mood, camera angle, and style. Hit on this submit button and just wait until Gemini give you the image based on the prompt. Okay, so here is the result based on my prompt. And if you want to download it, you can just click on this download options at the top right corner of the image, and it will be saved to your device. But if you want to refine or regenerate the image, you can just write in the chat bar in here. Again, for example, I'm going to write change the background to forest. Hit on enter and then just wait again until the image is finished. Now here is the result based on the refined prompt that I added. And if you want to make it viral, you can import your AI photo into CapCut, VN, or Canva, and you can add text like AI created this. Use trending music and light zoom effect for reels. And that's how you can create AI photos with Gemini in just seconds. Like, save, and click on the thanks for more videos, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!